ezyZip.
How to compress WebM file. Go to ezyZip.com, then click on Compress Video, then navigate to Compress WebM file. To reduce WebM below a certain size, enter your desired file size in MB or by percentage, then click the Next button. You will be redirected to the correct file compression page. Click Select WebM file to compress to open the file chooser, or drag and drop the WebM file directly onto ezyZip. Click Compress WebM. It will start the compression process, which will take some time to complete. Click on Preview to see the compressed file in the browser. Click on Save WebM file to save the compressed WebM file to your selected destination folder. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.